a 7.3 OBS late 97 style radiator. Currently designing a T4 setup for the turbo, so which means intercooler piping needs to be routed some kind of way. So the shitty ass design here to hold the radiator in just needs to all be out the way, nice clean look. So I haven't cut those out yet, but just because I want to make sure this 3D printed part that I made works. All right, and I want to make sure it sits in the same location that it was in from factory. This extrusion right here doesn't allow anything to sit flush there, so you want to space that out. Get you a nut, put it on the bottom one. It makes it a little easier so you don't have to sit here and hold it. Go ahead and hand start all these. Now this is printed at 100% infill, so I'm hoping it should hold up to the heat. I'm going to run it anyway just because I don't care, but if it does end up to melt off, hopefully I'll have an aluminum one made by then, so it's selling the billet pieces. This U-nut that we're going to slide into the factory hole setup they got right here. Slide it right. Get that nice in there. That thing ain't going anywhere right there. Now, go ahead and trim all that out. Trim all that out. Have a nice full opening for your intercooler pipes. Cut all that out. All that out. Just be a nice direct way right there.